India, as Mr. Jeff Bezos has said, is one of the best marketplaces to sell on Amazon is in India. It is ludicrously good. So I have, I'm in a pimp my ride mood tonight. I have a great training course, of course, all about selling on India, which is at rawlocal.com.au/India-success, which you should definitely get. Or if you don't want to get that, go to amazon.com and just Google Amazon FBA India, and you will be able to get my best-selling book. There it is, which is free if you're in Kindle Unlimited, or only $10 if not, which does the same thing, not quite as in-depth, but it certainly gives you a lot of information. So Chirag, what should you do? Well, if you've got your bank account set up in India and your company set up in India, then you are 9/10 of the way there. You've done really the hard part, okay? Because the hard part is getting those things set up. Now, the only thing you need is to go to Amazon in India, so Amazon IN. Amazon in India, scroll down to the bottom where it says sell on Amazon. And you want to set up as a professional, of course, and you're going to get yourself registered to sell. Now, to do that, you'll need to be registered for GST, and you will also need to have a mobile phone number. So your director in India, you've got to have their mobile phone number, and you'll need to work with them while you go through this process, so that because Amazon will call them and say, g'day. They may not say g'day. I don't know what the equivalent thing is in India. Indian is. They'll say g'day. This is Amazon. Are you who you say you are? And they'll check. So they do that in India. So you'll need a mobile phone too. Register for GST, mobile phone. Come here. Bada boom, bada bing. You'll be live and selling, and you'll need the professional plan on Amazon. It is a brilliant marketplace, and Amazon now dominates the e-commerce landscape in India. There's another big player called Flipkart, but now Amazon has superseded them. They were in the lead for a while, but now Amazon's overtaken them, as they do in all territories, of course. And so it's a great marketplace. Congratulations on getting that far. That's awesome, foursome. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.